Hi, my name's Natalie. I'm originally from St. Paul, Minnesota, and I use she, her, hers pronouns. I'm interested in urban ecology because growing up I was always around nature, but I also did live in a very urban environment. So when I moved to New York, I kind of heavily focused on the urban side of things and less so on nature. So I'm interested in learning kind of best practices around um, urban design in a way that supports nature and the continued success of the natural environment. So I created my concept map. I kind of wanted to think about urban nature in terms of what it often is in my mind and what it often is not. So for what it often is, I said loud. I think I was focusing more on the urban side of things. I also said human-centric because it feels as though humans are kind of the dominant say in the landscape of urban nature. I also said forcefully symbiotic because we all live in sort of this one confined area, and although we interact and have connection, we also are quite separated by barriers, which is another thing I wrote, in that humans are allowed to live here, animals can exist here, grass goes here, so it's quite crafted and hierarchical in that way as well. And then for what it often is not, I said super spacious. And I also said it's not inviting of encroaching flora and fauna, kind of going back to that crafted and barrier-like approach to city planning, where we like plants and flowers when we plant them there, but not when it's out of our control. And I kind of thought those things were maybe a bit negative. So I also wrote two more things. Urban nature makes me thankful for thoughtful design, that we can continue to live in an urban and metropolitan area that also has trees and landscaping and parks, and also feels like a precarious balance because I think we all have a role to play in keeping the balance of these urban and natural ecosystems.